Hi guys, thank you for joining me again today for another meal. Today we're going to be making some hot sauce fried chicken. If this is your first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you. Add 1 tablespoon Cajun seasoning, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon Johnny's garlic spread, and mix it onto your chicken. Pour 3 cups of fat-free milk onto your chicken, or any milk of your choice. Just make sure that you cover all of the chicken with the milk. Once you're done pouring your milk, cover up your chicken and set aside for 4 hours or longer. In a separate bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Add a tablespoon of garlic and add a tablespoon of Johnny's garlic powder. Add half a teaspoon of salt and mix together. Mix the spices into the flour, and this is what you will use to coat your chicken. In a separate bowl, add 3 eggs. Add 1 cup of water and add 1 5-ounce bottle of Red Hot Original Hotsauce. Mix together. Make sure that you mix the ingredients really good. Now place the hot sauce mix and the flour next to each other as you prepare to coat your chicken. Dip your chicken in the hot sauce mix, then put it into the flour and make sure that you coat it thoroughly. Do the same for all your pieces of chicken. Once you're done, place your chicken to the side and heat your oil. Put enough oil to cover all your chicken up. When placing the chicken, use precaution because hot oil sometimes can splash back onto you. So make sure you are careful. You want to cook your chicken for at least 10 minutes or longer. If your heat is too high, make sure that you cook it for less, or you end up burning it, or just reduce the heat and cook it for at least 10 minutes. Make sure that you put it in the oven if it's not fully cooked, just so you make sure that it's fully cooked in the middle. Be careful not to eat raw chicken. Make sure your chicken is all the way cooked. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, to comment below, and to share. Also hit the bell button so you do not miss any of the recipes as I post them.